Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this video will be about Cosori air fryer toaster oven, which I had purchased last week during Amazon Prime sale. It will be a review. So this Cosori has all the cooking functions, and it has preheat, air fry, bake, toast, roast, broil, keep warm, dehydrate, pizza, slow cook, defrost, ferment. And it's actually a smart toaster oven. It's a 26 quart capacity, and the oven's compact frame doesn't take up much space. Whether you're craving chicken or pizza, cook family-size meals, 5 to 7 people in a smart air fry toaster oven. So guys, this is the toaster oven slash air fryer. This is the inside of it. And over here has all the buttons. I'm gonna turn it on for you guys. We're gonna just plug it in. There you go. We're just gonna hit the power. As you can see, it has all the functions. And it says push to select. So we're gonna just use this, and I'm gonna go through all of the functions with you guys. So first is preheat, air fry, bake, toast, roast, broil, keep warm, dehydrate, pizza, slow cook, defrost, ferment. All you gotta do is hold it down for like 2-3 seconds and the light comes on. There you go. So the Cosori toaster oven slash air fryer comes with these 3 racks, which I'm going to show you guys right now. This is the food tray. This is the food rack. And this is the air fry basket. So first it's going to be the food tray that I'll be putting in. It's just gonna go right here. There you go. Just like that. And the last, air fry basket. So the Cosori Smart Air Fry Toaster Oven comes with 1 wire rack, 1 food tray, 1 fry basket, recipe book, user manual, quick reference guide. So guys, we're gonna test this out by making some peanut butter cookies. Let's see the result and I'll share with you how they come out. For the peanut butter cookies, you will need 1 cup peanut butter. It's a really simple recipe, really easy. Next will be 1 cup sugar. And this recipe calls for 1 cup sugar, but I'm actually gonna just do half a cup sugar, as peanut butter itself is sweet enough. But it's all up to you. If you wanna add 1 whole cup of sugar, go ahead. But for me, this is good enough, half cup. And you'll need 1 egg. It's that simple. So this is how you want your mixture to look like for the peanut butter cookies. So it's already plugged in over here. I'm just gonna turn on the power button. which is right here. And now I'm gonna just use this knob to make it go to bake. Right there, you see it blinking. So guys, this is the app. Looking, and it's gonna have all the 12 functions, whichever you prefer. So right now I'll be baking, which we're gonna click on bake. It has a preheat, temperature, everything on it. But right now, it came with this little package, Cosori. And in the package, Cosori user manual. By the way, this is the model number. Cookbook. Cosori air fryer toaster oven recipes. So guys, I put the peanut butter cookies. I only put 6. And I put it at 325 for 8 minutes. If we need to add extra minutes, I'll add it on. But for right now, 325 and 8 minutes is pretty good. Turn off the power. Take it out gently so they don't break. This is the result. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.